Have you ever wondered what makes lighting so critical to the care and safety of a patient when undergoing a minor procedure in a hospital or doctor's office? Well, according to a recent survey in a leading medical journal, over 70% of doctors and nurses were unhappy with the lighting in their facilities. What this survey illustrates is the need for quality and reliable lighting in healthcare facilities. A doctor's tools are important to the patient's care and safety, whether they be human or animal. Today, I'd like to introduce you to our new procedure light, the TRIANGO 100. High lux output, accurate color rendering, glare and shadow-free lighting, adjustable color temperature, field of light size adjustability are just a few of the features that the TRIANGO 100 offers. At the end of this video, you'll understand the features and benefits of the TRIANGO 100, which will allow you to position it against any other procedural light in the industry. So let's have a closer look. The TRIANGO 100 is designed to IEC 60601 3rd edition technical standards. It's also passed all the rigorous safety tests to ensure ETL certification. So where will you find the TRIANGO 100? It's designed to be used in hospitals and private practices. Users can include doctors and specialists, such as dermatology, urologists, veterinarians, gynecologists, maybe even plastic surgeons. So what doctors demand in a minor procedure light is maximum light output. The TRIANGO 100 can deliver up to 100,000 lux at 1 meter. But for those procedures that don't require as much light, the doctor or nurse has the ability to reduce the light intensity from 100% to 80% to 60% and then down to 40%. The other unique thing about the TRIANGO 100 is the ability to adjust the field of light. The TRIANGO 100 offers you the option to change the field of light from, say, 7 inches to as wide as 11 inches with the simple push of a button. Color intensity is also very important for doctors. The TRIANGO 100 gives the doctor the ability to change the Kelvin temperature of the light from 3700 to 4300 and then finally to 4700. Each of those color temperatures allows the doctor to perform a different examination. Typically, when a doctor is looking for a vein, he's using the higher color temperature of 4700 Kelvin. And then for a skin examination, if you're looking for a lesion or a melanoma, the lower 37 or 4300 Kelvin temperature is used. The diamond optics of the TRIANGO 100 provide glare-free and shadow-free lighting. The LEDs will last up to 50,000 hours, which is equivalent of 25 years with 8 hours of use, 5 days a week. The light head is made by injection molding. As you can see, the surface is very smooth, which makes for easy cleaning. There are no holes for contamination. The handle itself is removable and can be sterilized. We also offer one-time use covers as well for the handle. The TRIANGO 100 offers a very unique arm system. It allows for full 360-degree rotation, and the light head itself can rotate up to 320 degrees for optimum placement of the light where the doctor or healthcare professional needs it the most. The TRIANGO 100 is available in 3 different configurations. The ceiling version, which you see here, we have a wall version available, and also the TRIANGO 100 could be mounted on a rolling stand for easy access to any part of a healthcare facility. Assembly for the TRIANGO 100 is quite simple. The ceiling pole is field cuttable and adjustable to any ceiling height that you may find in a facility. So in closing, keep in mind these key features: 100,000 lux light output at 1 meter, color temperature adjustability, field of light adjustability, high CRI and high R9 values, a smooth flowing arm, and long life out of the diamond optic LEDs should make the TRIANGO 100 an easy choice for your next minor procedure light. For questions about how to purchase a TRIANGO 100, please contact your Waldmann sales representative. Thanks for watching, and please stay safe and healthy.